Oh, I've enjoyed it very much. There was a lot of demo and question and answers, and it was fascinating.
My favorite part has been to connect with my OIT friends because we usually meet on Zoom and we don't get to talk to them, and so that was my favorite part so far. And then being able to actually see people from other institutions in Tennessee.
I think this conference is a great learning opportunity for me. So I'm learning different things, new technologies. So yeah, I'm liking it.
Here I'm a pretty new employee, and it feels good to hear that there's just kind of a structured vision for where the campus is going.
My slant is on the classroom application, so it's really seeing what faculty and instructional designers are doing to work with the content that's in the classroom.
I think it's a great opportunity to learn from the staff, see what's actually happening.
I think the UT crowd is really unique, and so the people stand out, right? Because we're all here to kind of advance the students' journeys.
I think it's also really great that they've expanded to include the system. I came last year and it was just UTK, and that was really good to meet our colleagues from across campus. So I think that's really exciting, because thinking about our partners at Pellissippi that are really working with us to feed into UT, there's so much we could be collaborating on there. So to get to meet those people will be great.
Really excited to be at UT and to see just the ways, anywhere I go, people are not as far ahead as we are when it comes to AI and really trying to push things forward.
I like that there are different tracks, because I think sometimes you might see an IT conference and think it's all going to be super technical and it's all going to be big, but there's a lot of us in the IT world that also work with people, and it's really a blend.
Very forward thinking happening on this campus, so that's really great.
I went to a session that was talking about creating virtual assistants and virtual reality.
Kind of give us an all-around general overview of things, which I thought was really nice, because even though I might have more information on that, there might have been people in that room who did not know what an APT was.
Well, the UTverse session was packed this time compared to last year, so it was great to see some of those advancements there.
Having some of these, how to build your team, having the ombuds person speak about how to deal with conflict management in IT. Those things are sessions you wouldn't necessarily expect.
Yes, absolutely.
Absolutely. For those who are curious and interested, I highly recommend it.
I definitely would recommend other people come. I will recommend other people on my team come.
Absolutely. For my organization, TBR, I'm going to encourage our IT, our faculty trainers, our instructional designers, our administrators, anybody and everybody, because there's something here for everyone.